Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in control systems, the next topic is about open loop system and closed loop system. Okay, so in open loop system, accuracy, it will depend upon the input values. Whatever input we are giving, it will depend upon the input, the accuracy of the system. Here, because there is a feedback, so one basic thing is in open loop system, there is no feedback. Here, there will be feedback. Okay, so as the feedback is present, the values will be more accurate. Okay, so the construction is simple, this is complicated, little complex. So because of less components, it is less costlier because there's no feedback, right? So here more components, more costlier. Feedback is absent, feedback is present. So bandwidth of the open loop system is small. Here bandwidth of closed loop system is greater than this open loop, little bit greater than this one. Okay, these are the basic 5 points which you have to remember. If this kind of question is given, I just took the basic points. Okay, so this is how the difference between open and closed loop system is. Okay, now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of open loop system. Okay, just making it very easy to remember and understand, I have just drawn like this. Okay, we'll see the advantages and disadvantages. So see, like I said, it is very simple in construction, very economical. I mean, it's less costly, right? It is stable. Okay, here the disadvantages of this open loop system is because the feedback is not present, the value or the system is little bit, values whatever we get is inaccurate. Okay, so it's unreliable, so no feedback. So if there are any errors, we have to correct it manually. Okay, so this is about open loop system. Let's see closed loop system, its advantages and disadvantages. It is more accurate because the feedback is present. Okay, it is highly reliable and it is less affected by noise. If there is any noise disturbance also, this system is not affected by it. So that's the advantage. So what are its disadvantages is, so it is complicated to construct and are expensive. Yes, because we have feedback and all everything, right? So the construction of it is little complicated, as well it is expensive. Next, because of feedback, response is oscillatory. So the whatever the waveform you're getting, it will be oscillatory waveform, and the system is unstable. Okay, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of closed loop system. So these are the basic few points which I have taken for easy understanding as well as for easy remembrance. So this question will be asked in your exams for 2-mark question. Okay, so the basic things, these 3 points if you remember, for everything you can write accordingly. Okay, I think this is clear. Thank you.